In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight a specific column in a table using the Table Design tab in your document editor. Coloring table columns can be a great way to emphasize certain data or make your tables more visually appealing and easier to interpret. To get started, first, ensure you click inside the table you're working on. This is a crucial step because you want to prompt the table-specific tools to appear. By doing this, you'll notice that either the Table Design tab or the Table Tools, followed by a Design tab, pops up on your toolbar. This specialized toolbar is your gateway to easily customizing your table's appearance. Now that you have the Table Design tools available, you'll want to select the column you wish to color. A simple way to do this is to move your cursor just above the desired column. When your cursor changes into a downward pointing arrow, that's your cue to click and select the entire column. It's a handy technique that quickly highlights the full vertical range of that column. However, if you prefer more precise control, especially in tables with merged or complex cells, you can click on the first cell of the column and drag your mouse down to select every cell in that column manually. Both methods effectively prepare the column for the next steps in the customization process. With your desired column selected, turn your attention back to the Table Design tab. In there, you'll find the Shading drop-down menu. This is your palette for applying color to your column. When you click on this drop-down menu, you'll see a variety of color options under Theme Colors and Standard Colors, providing most of the color choices you might need for quick and consistent design options. For those with a specific color in mind that isn't already available, you can click on More Fill Colors. This option allows you to fine-tune your selection with a custom color, giving you the flexibility to match any design specifications you might have. Once you've picked your perfect color, simply click outside of the table. This action locks in your changes and allows you to view the updated appearance in the context of your overall document. It's a small step that lets you take a moment to appreciate how this visual tweak can enhance your table. If you're interested in shading only certain parts of the column, perhaps just the header or the body cells, you can certainly do that too. After your initial shading, you can go back, select just the cells you want to modify, and repeat the previous shading steps. This targeted approach can help add depth and emphasize different sections of your data effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward method to color columns within your table. This subtle enhancement can make a big difference in how your data is perceived and interacted with.